How to make a pocket sketchbook out of one piece of paper. You will need scissors and one piece of paper. First, you're going to fold your paper lengthwise. Take your time folding. You want a really nice, smooth fold. Then you're going to fold your paper again, kind of a hamburger fold. Smoothing it out, taking your time to match up all your edges. The better you fold now, the better it'll look at the end. And a third fold. Same thing again, taking my time, making sure I fold evenly and I press firmly. Okay, now that I've folded it, I need to open it all the way back up. Smoothing as I go, flattening out the paper. Okay, and if I did it correctly, I should see 8 rectangles. And I'm going to fold again to the middle, a vertical fold. I'm going to cut along this line here. So I'm taking my scissors, I'm cutting one neat cut, stopping where it crosses the other fold line, and opening back up. And there's my slit in the center, or hole. Then I'm going to kind of pinch the sides. I'm folding again, and I'm going to pinch the sides. I'm going to squeeze it together. So I have this kind of diamond shape in the center, and I kind of fold it back and forth a bit to get it ready to be folded completely into a book. And then I just turn my pages, flattening and straightening a little bit as I go. Takes a little extra work sometimes. And there we go. A nice little book that has pages that I can go ahead and doodle on. Design your cover and start sketching. I titled my sketchbook Doodles with My Labradoodle because I have a Labradoodle named Luna and I plan to fill my sketchbook with many pictures of her. I can't wait to see what you guys decide to do on your cover and inside your tiny sketchbook. Have a great time.